We are back here for another construction update on the new home for Quantum Accelerator, opening for the spring in 2025. This will probably be the last update since the park closes tomorrow, November 3rd. As I'm filming this, it is November 2nd. So tomorrow it's last day of operations here at the park. So let's go take a look at different angles of the site and see what's up. You can tell they've actually been digging a lot here. I'm not sure if the terrain will hold on to the supports, but you can tell that they've really digged here. A lot of rock work below the surface, a lot of wire as well in this dumpster. So yeah, at least construction has been coming along, unlike the last month or so where it's just been flat here. So yeah. So this is another angle from the north side section of the park. This is where you'll be launching straight over here. As you can tell, they're digging. There's 3 bulldozers in this land, and they've just been digging the land here. So yeah. So that'll do it with this quick construction update. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.